Hey guys, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today's DIY Make It Your Own Monday project is actually going to be two. One is going to be this blessed sign made out of everything from the Dollar Tree, and also this galvanized planter pot that is hung on a pallet, and most of that is from the Dollar Tree as well. So if you're interested in seeing how I made these, please keep watching. So we're going to start off with the blessed sign, and the actual blessed sign is a placemat that is from the Dollar Tree, and also the frame I got from the Dollar Tree. So we're just going to pop out the glass, and then we're going to distress the frame, and I'm just using chalk paint mixed in with a little bit of brown acrylic paint. We're going to do the white first, and then we're going to go in and add a little bit of the brown just to make it look a little bit distressed. Then all I did with the placemat was take the insert that came inside the frame, and I measured that, kind of like centered it on the placemat where I wanted it to be, and then just traced it and then cut it out so it fit the frame. Then I went back in with a little bit more of the brown paint just to add some more antiquing or farmhouse look to it. So I think the sign turned out super cute. It looks really farmhouse-ish, and it was really easy to do, and it only cost $2 for the frame and the placemat, and then I already had the chalk paint, so I think it was super cute, super easy, and really affordable. Next, all you need is a pallet, and my husband and I just cut down the pallet to the size that I wanted, and usually you can get pallets from grocery stores or like a hardware store. You just need to ask them, and usually they'll give them to you for free. So for this, after we cut down the pallet, I just took some of the white chalk paint and gave it a good coating. I didn't want to make it completely white. I wanted it to have the distressed look to it, so I did it kind of light. After the chalk paint was dry, I just took the galvanized bucket that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I tapped in a nail just to start a hole into the bucket so that the screw wasn't sliding around when I was trying to drill it in. And then we just drilled a screw into the bucket and onto the pallet, and I centered it so that I could change it, so that it was taller if I wanted it to be, if I wanted to use, taller flowers, or I could turn it so that it was shorter depending on, which shelf I wanted to put it on or whatever. So I just left a little bit of wiggle room with the screw. Well, I hope you like these projects as much as I did. They were super simple and easy on the budget, and I just think they look really, really cute. And you can put them on a shelf or a counter or hang them. You could put a little hanger on the back of the pallet, and you could hang it on a wall if you wanted. So let me know what you guys think of these two farmhouse projects in the comments below. And I have some other planter ideas. Somebody had suggested that I do some planters for DIYs, and I'm going to be doing more, especially as springtime comes around, because I have a couple ideas for outside planters as well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you have any DIY ideas, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I love to get some new suggestions from you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!